Certainly, you are aware of the challenges of keeping a large-scale district heating network optimized and well-functioning. Challenges turn up easily within the district heating network, as well as both new issues and new requirements are coming up concurrently with the expansion of the network. However, sometimes these can be solved by boosting the issue and thus be saving money on new construction projects. This requires a pumping station. These provide the district heating plant with a greener profile, prevent expensive upgrades of the central system, and reduce the pumping needs centrally. Placed at the right places in the transmission grid, a pumping station can increase the pressure locally, as well as it is possible to optimize the energy efficiency of the plant only by supplying energy at the places where it is required. For instance, here, where they are expanding the district heating network. In this case, a booster station can ensure a correct pressure all over in the network without stressing the pumping system at the district heating station. At the same time, you can do with optimizing the energy efficiency of the new parts of the district heating network, preventing as little heat loss as possible when the local pumping station ensures the correct pressure. Or here, where the surplus heat is phased in from a large-scale refrigeration installation. Here, the pumping station ensures that the surplus heat can be utilized easily in the district heating system. For what reason, the birds must find somewhere else to get warm. In the pumping stations, it is also possible to incorporate surveillance equipment, which can transmit data about flow, temperature, and pressure back to the district heating station, just as it is possible to conduct leakage surveillance. Equivalently, it is also possible to regulate the network by, for example, placing shut-off valves in the pumping station instead of establishing separate well barriers. By thinking pumping stations into the system, you can also think low temperature into the system, where this is possible. Temperature reductions in the system can reduce the CO2 emissions, and the district heating station can save millions on fuel purchase. Briefly, the possibilities are many, and due to the collaboration between DESMI and Preece, you will have customized technique housings, including great emphasis on thinking good working conditions into the concept for the operating staff, as well as high quality and a long life cycle of the technique housings for the entire district heating business. The market's most reliable pumps are maintenance friendly and with a low energy consumption. It is a fantastic combination, which ensures a finished product with both high quality and considerable reliability, and which makes an optimal data collection within the entire network possible. We are customizing a plug-and-play solution in an isolated technique housing, including a life cycle of 30 to 40 years, manufactured in corrosion-proof materials. The technique housing is silenced and can be delivered with an installed interior overhead traveling crane so that service and maintenance are facilitated considerably. Furthermore, the station is delivered with DESMI pumps, tubes, control panels, transmitters, valves, lighting, silenced ventilation, and a lot of other equipment if requested. In the design phase, we are using our comprehensive experience built during many years' involvement in the district heating business in order to create unique pumping stations for our customers. We are placing the pumping stations where it is needed in the network. This results in heavily reduced operational costs. Our pumping solution is delivered without any kind of subscriptions or any other commitments, as well as we are supporting you continuously without any extra costs. Cases from district heating customers in Denmark and abroad display considerable savings achieved due to our pumping concept. Do you also want us to create considerable savings and optimize the efficiency of your district heating station? Contact us today and take a step closer to an optimized and greener district heating network.